I have a Bosch Aquatak 125 with me. It has been serving me well so far over the last 7 years now. I got this equipment back in August 2018, and on an average I do anywhere from 8 to 10 washes per year. And on this juncture, I would also like to thank all the viewers for showing me immense support for my video. My video on the review and unboxing of the Aquatak 125 has been featured on the top of the Google searches.
A lot of users have asked me on the long-term ownership of the unit. Has it been working fine? Did the hose break and so forth? No, there have been no damages to the hose because I use them with utmost care, ensuring there are no sharp bends during usage. The only maintenance that I've done so far is to change the O-rings on the Foamlands unit and the MJJC foam bottle unit, which I have explained in another video, which you can watch. So anyway, here is a proof that this video was clicked on the 26th of May 2025. Now here is how well the Bosch works for your viewing pleasure.
Guys, I hope that allays all the fears of the machine breaking down to rest. You've seen how my 8-year-old pressure washer still works beautifully without any trouble. Please keep 3 things in mind. Let the machine not run continuously. Give it breaks so the motor gets time to cool down. Number 2, these pressure hoses, ensure that they don't have any sharp bends or kinks. Otherwise, it will lead to a crack, and that can be an expensive replacement. Number 3, if there is a broken O-ring, I've shown you how to replace it. O-rings are cheap, please replace it. Otherwise, you will not get the desired pressure output. That'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye and take care.